I'm David Taylor. I'm the president and CEO of the Pennsylvania Manufacturers Association. We're the statewide not-for-profit organization representing the people who make things. I'm here in Susquehanna County today with one of the biggest rigs in the Commonwealth operating behind me, and it's really awe-inspiring to see this production taking place. This is what it's all about. In Pennsylvania, manufacturing adds $86 billion worth of value to our state's economy every year, and that's over 500,000 jobs on the plant floor. That core manufacturing activity sustains millions of additional Pennsylvania jobs in supply chains and distribution networks and vendors of industrial service. One of the things that a manufacturer needs, and it doesn't matter what you're making, you need energy. Energy is life. All of the things that we rely on every day to make our lives clean and safe and comfortable and convenient, all of those things require energy. Energy to make the things that we use, energy to transport those things, energy to build the infrastructure to deliver the services that, again, that make our house a home. And so this is why we need absolutely as much of this energy as we can harvest.